Kaustubh and I am back with a new video. Tomorrow is Republic Day, so happy Republic Day to all. Today I am going to tell you about Republic Day. So let's begin. What is Republic Day? Republic Day is a national holiday in India. It honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India and thus turning the nation into a newly formed republic. Who is coming on Republic Day 2021? There will be no chief guest this year, making it the first Republic Day parade without a chief guest in 50 years. Initially, British PM Boris Johnson was invited to come to India. Origin of Republic Day. The Indian Constitution came into effect on 26th January 1950, which declared India's occurrence as an independent republic. January 26th was chosen as the date because on this day in 1930 the Indian National Congress revealed Poon Swaraj, the declaration of India's independence from the colonial rule. Who started Republic Day? 2 days later, which was on 26 January 1950, it came into effect throughout the whole nation. On that day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad began his first term of office as President of Indian Union. The Constituent Assembly became the Parliament of India and under the transitional provisions of the new Constitution. Why is Republic Day celebrated? Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on January 26 since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. India was a colony of British for over 200 years, and became independent from the rule of the British Raj following the Indian independence movement. What is the meaning of Republic Day? Republic Day is a day to remember when the Constitution of India officially came into force on January 26, 1950. This historical act formally transitioned India to become an independent republic, and hence it is celebrated on January 26 every year. How is Republic Day celebrated? Every year Republic Day is celebrated in India on 26 January with zeal and enthusiasm. Spectacular parades at Janpath, New Delhi, consisting the Indian National Army and national flag hoisting in various parts of country are common practices followed on this day. Republic Day Parade. The Delhi Republic Day Parade is the largest and the most important of all the parades marking the Republic Day celebrations in India. The parades take place every year on 26 January at Rajpath, New Delhi. It is the main attraction of India's Republic Day celebrations, which last for 3 days. Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India, and the document lays down the framework demarcating fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers and duties of government institutions, and set out fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of citizens. When was the Constitution of India made? The Republic is governed in terms of the Constitution of India, which was adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. Who made the Constitution of India? On 29 August 1947, the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to prepare a draft constitution for India. While deliberating upon the draft constitution, the assembly discussed and disposed of as many as 2,473 amendments out of a total of 7,635 tabled. Happy Republic Day to all! If you enjoyed the video, then please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. Thank you, bye and Happy Republic Day.